Alright guys, just received the package and I'm excited for it. I've been waiting for it to come from the motherland of Japan. I'm gonna go ahead and put my car up on the driveway. You guys will see right now in just a bit what it is. Okay, pop this real quick. Alright, look what we got here. Yes sir. Got a whole intake for this car, straight from the motherland of Japan. There we go. Go sideways for a little bit. The struggle. Cool. So yeah, I got a HKS intake for the car. It's probably not the best choice for the car, but it's cool. JDM points. HKS. I didn't want it. I didn't want any of the European or the I didn't want the Aventuri or the whatever the other ones are. They look ugly. I hate too much carbon fiber. Let's be real. Say hello to the camera, Sweetie. Where you going? He's shy. Alright, gonna open it upside down just because the other side has all my info. We don't want that. You don't want to dox yourself. There we go. This side. This little piece. Ta-da! Cool. Got one pipe. Box of, I have no idea what that is. Some couplers. Ooh, little mushroom. There. Some foam. This is a carbon fiber tray. Heat shield, whatever you want to call it. Instructions in Japanese, and I can't read that, so hopefully there's pictures in there. Oh. And the sticker. So, let's see what the instructions say. All the pieces. Oh hell yeah! It comes with pictures. I don't think I'll have any problem putting this on. Okay, so I just finished unpacking everything. I mean, I kept the filter in the plastic wrapping and the MAF sensor piece. That way it doesn't get dirty. It is kind of windy, so there's some dust blowing around. For some reason, it comes with a lot of zip ties. HKS must think we're building a 240 or something. Got our mounting brackets, foam. I'm not sure for what reason. Probably sits under this. Carbon fiber piece, another carbon fiber piece. Couplers, nuts and bolts. Pretty much it. All right, so I'm looking at the instructions, and so far I see that it points to certain parts that are going to come off, to what bolts to remove. So it should be pretty easy. Looks like the intake hose is going to come off first. MAF sensor, the little intake snorkel thing. I don't know what the hell that is, but yeah, let's go ahead and get it all removed. I believe the actual box is just sitting on by with grommets. Yeah, there. Do the math. Okay. I'm gonna put this inside of a bag. We don't want to get that dirty. Got a vacuum line that runs around the whole box. There we go. Is that everything? That's everything. Cool. Alright, so I gotta plug up some of these vacuum lines. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, so 2 on the little sensor down here and 1 up there. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, okay, that's all plugged up. What is it saying about this? I don't know what it's saying about this little grommet down here. Either to leave it in or next page. Just push it in like that. We're gonna end up zip tying this over here. Do that later. Okay. Alright, now I gotta put this bracket through here somehow. Okay. Okay, so I have certain things in the wrong location. I was thinking that this bracket goes up here or further more out away from the wheel, but I think it goes way more in closer to the wheel because the carbon fiber piece isn't fitting. And I gotta remember this is also meant for the Yaris, so some things might not be the same, some things will be the same, unless I'm just completely reading it wrong and I'm dumb. But yeah, live and learn. That's straight, yeah, that's straight. So that's supposed to sit like that. There we go, something like that. Still not lining up for some odd reason. Okay, so after fighting with it for a cool minute, I finally got the carbon fiber piece in. Since it's made, like I said earlier, since it's made for the Yaris, not all the mounting points, not all the mounting points fit on the GR Corolla. Only got two to work, but I should be fine. It's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna go anywhere. That's it. But if anybody else is looking to do it, it's just this one and that one there that actually mounts onto the vehicle. The other two are just free floating. Try to get the little brace that's under it to get in there. Wasn't able to. And if you try to get a longer bolt than what they provide, you're just gonna squeeze it down. It's probably gonna end up cracking here or down here. You see it flex. You don't want that. So you should be fine just like that. It's just a heat shield, I guess. It's not gonna go anywhere. Take a look at this carbon fiber, man. That thing looks so nice in the sun. I'm not too much of a carbon fiber guy, but like once you have like your hands on it, it's crazy, man. Just like looking at it, looking at the weave is just amazing. All right, so I got the mushroom halfway assembled. This thing looks pretty cool, man. The red really pops in the sun, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but the HKS logo looks amazing on it. So that's it right there. HKS everywhere, literally. And I just got to put in the MAF sensor and then the other carbon fiber piece, and I should be done. All right, so the intake is finally in and it looks amazing, man. I just have to put away everything, like all my tools or whatever, put the radiator shroud that goes on top back on there. But right now I'm gonna turn on the car and hopefully I don't get a check engine light. I shouldn't, as what I read, so I should be fine. Let's go ahead and turn this guy on. All right, so far no check engine light. Yeah, nothing. No check engine light. I'm gonna let the car. Ooh. I'm gonna let the car warm up, and then we're gonna go for a little run. Not run, a little test drive around the block, and I'll let you guys know. Now that sounded amazing, even from being inside the car. Okay, let me go drive this car. Let me go drive this thing. And as always, there's always that one person that's just driving extremely slow, jumping into the freeway. Alright guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you liked the video. Peace, I'm out.